I got a special mission for you.
Oh, shit. What do you say we clean that carpet? Fucking phone.
Oh shit, Jesse, don't answer it. I got a bad feeling about this. I don't know.
It's the agency. I have to take this.
Not again.
Hello?
Miller, it's Commander.
Come on, Jesse.
Wait here.
We need you back on the force, ASAP.
Yeah, I'll talk in a minute, Tanya. I gotta take this call.
I swear.
Captain, long time no hear. But I can't say that I'm happy to hear from you.
Cannon is on the loose again.
You know Cannon's my ex-partner.
He's your ex-partner, that's why we want you. You know everything there is to know about him.
He may be our enemy now, but he saved my life during the Arabian conflict.
Look, I know you're upset that some of the guys kicked you off the special forces.
But it looks like you all kicked me off because I was just a little too special.
I know you went rogue and things got messy. But we need you back.
Tell me something I don't know.
We spotted Cannon. We know where he is. He's in wine country.
That sounds like Cannon, a sophisticated atmosphere.
You're the only man for the job.
Look, I'm not going to go on another one of your wild goose chases.
Miller, I'm not messing around anymore. This is coming directly from the big man at the agency.
I'll do it on one condition. You give me a new assault vehicle and you never call me again. You got yourself a deal.
Miller, one last thing. Be careful.
All right. Over. Come on, Tanya. I got a mission. We got to go. Tanya!
Don't answer it. I got a bad feeling about this.
Damn, she's gone. She was kidnapped. This time, it's definitely personal. This time, it's personal.
Where's Miller at?
I'm not gonna tell you shit.
How about if I just call him myself?
Call him, I don't give a fuck.
It's Miller.
Hey, Miller.
Cannon, I knew it was you. It smelled like one of your operations. I can always smell a rat.
If you ever see Tanya alive again, meet me at the rendezvous point.
How do I know she's even still alive?
Because she's right here with me.
Let me hear her voice.
Jesse! Jesse, help me! Jesse!
See?
If you would so much lay a finger on her, I'll kill you.
She's good as dead.
Jesse, hurry! Hurry up!
Yeah, I'll be there. Oh, and one more thing. It's personal.
Bye.
There's no way you'll ever beat Jesse. He'll kick your ass.
You got all the glory in the Arabian conflict. Now it's my turn.
It's our turn to die.
No, it isn't.
Cannon's terrorist fan. I'm close.
You're next. That was just a target.
I'm scared.
You and I can finally be married.
In your dreams.
Hey, Cannon, the jig is up, dog. This time, Cannon, it's personal. What's up now?
It looks like you fell right into my trap. I have an extra gun.
Miller, it's Commander.
Hey, Captain, I told you I didn't want you to call me again. And a matter of fact, right now, I'm a little busy. Enough of this nonsense. fight me like a man.
Here we go. You're going down this time.
That's where you're wrong. You're gonna get down. Impressive. You're a lot stronger than you used to be, but not strong enough.
I can't believe you two used to hang out and be friends.
When I saved you during the Arabian conflict, that was an accident.
You just broke my fucking glasses. Now it's on. Okay, Cannon. Fun's over. Game's over. As the karate masters say, hi-ya. Now it's time to say goodbye, y'all. That's what I call justice. That's what you call an explosive play. Tanya, stay really still.
Not again. Your phone. Get it.
Miller, look, I told you never to call me again. But guess what? Your boy did it.
You did it, Miller. You did it.
You knew he would.
I don't say this often, but good job.
Straight up.
The agency and the force owe you great.
Oh, wow.